A plain graph embedding treats every edge alike. Knowledge graphs cannot. TransE gives relations their own vectors, so PyTorch can score and rank missing facts. This gives you the pattern for a system that learns typed graph links and ranks the missing entity. I'm Professor Pi, teaching AI foundations with simple Python. Knowledge graphs encode facts plus their types. They don't just say two nodes are connected. They say how they're connected. Born in is different from works on. That typing matters when you try to guess a missing fact. If you only embed nodes, you lose the relation-specific meaning that makes a good prediction. TransE is a compact, intuitive model people use when they want a fast, interpretable way to predict missing links on small to medium graphs. It's simple and quick to run, but it can struggle with relations that map many heads to many tails. At a high level, TransE represents entities as points and relations as translations. If head, relation, tail is true, head plus relation should land near tail in the vector space. That gives a neat geometric test for whether a candidate tail fits a head and relation. It's fast and easy to understand. The trade-off is that a single translation has trouble modeling many-to-many relations. We will build a tiny toy pipeline that shows the whole idea. Make a tiny typed graph, create initial vectors, score triples, rank candidates for a missing tail, add a margin ranking objective, and train a few steps so the ranking improves. Quick note, this code is designed to teach the core idea clearly. Library versions and local setups can vary, so check the official docs if your setup behaves differently. Now we begin by constructing the smallest meaningful knowledge graph for TransE. This snippet sets up a tiny typed knowledge graph the rest of the tutorial can reuse. It makes triples instead of plain edges, so relation labels like born in and works on remain explicit and non-interchangeable. Entities and relations are sorted to give deterministic ID mappings, which keeps experiments reproducible and avoids training jitter when you save or reload embeddings. The printed output confirms we have 4 entities and 2 relation types, the minimal structure TransE needs to treat edge semantics separately. Next, we need a concrete way to turn those entity and relation IDs into vectors and compute how well a triple fits. This example computes the core TransE idea with PyTorch tensors. The key requirement is that relations translate the head embedding toward the tail, not just cluster-connected nodes. Vec holds entity positions, relvec holds relation translations, and h plus r minus t measures the leftover vector for a triple. Torch.lineal.vectorNorm turns that leftover into a distance, and score flips smaller distance into higher closeness for display. The visible output shows a perfect toy match for Ada born in London, which makes the head plus relation pattern concrete. Change the relation vector or an entity position, and the distance immediately shifts, which is what the optimizer will later exploit. Once a score exists for one candidate, we need a way to compare every possible tail and rank them so the best guess tail floats to the top. This code turns one TransE score into a missing link ranking with PyTorch. Instead of checking a single candidate, the model scores every possible tail for Ada works on possible. Query is the translated head vector. Dist computes that distance to every entity vector in one go, and torch argsort sorts the entities so the closest tail comes first. The visible output shows math ranked first, and the gap to the next candidate gives a quick sanity check that the winner isn't tied. Practically, this is how you build ranked outputs for hits at K or mean reciprocal rank evaluation. Scoring and ranking are fine for evaluation, but to make the system learnable, we need a training objective that encourages true triples to beat corrupted ones. This snippet adds the training objective that makes ranking learnable in PyTorch. A true triple should score higher than a corrupted triple where we swap the tail. Ent and rel are trainable torch.nn.Embedding objects, initialized from the toy vectors, while kg_score returns negative distance, so larger means better. Torch.nn.MarginRankingLoss takes positive scores, negative scores, and a target of 1, forcing positives to outrank negatives by the specified margin. A larger margin pushes for more separation. A smaller one is easier to satisfy. The visible output shows the starting penalty before any optimizer step, giving a quick signal of how far the embeddings must move to meet the constraint. With the loss in place, we can make the optimizer update embeddings and observe how ranking changes after training. This example completes a small TransE link prediction loop in PyTorch. We now have trainable embeddings, a score function, a margin objective, and an optimizer updating both entity and relation vectors. Torch.optim.SGD runs the tiny batch repeatedly, compute loss, zero gradients, backprop, and step the parameters. After training, Q builds every possible tail for Ada works on ? And Torch argsort ranks them by kg score. The visible output shows the learned baseline still chooses math as the best missing tail, tying the score, loss, and ranking pieces together so you can see how optimization changes predictions. Applied to a larger dataset, the same loop scales, but you would sample negative tails in batches, use a faster optimizer, and track ranking metrics over time. For bigger data, you'd also add regularization and tune embedding size and batch sizing. TransE in one line. Relations are translation vectors, so head plus relation should land near tail. Use it when you want a fast interpretable link predictor, and your relations are mostly one-to-one or one-to-many. One important caveat: TransE struggles with many-to-many relations because a single translation can't represent multiple distinct targets well. Try one concrete next step. Tune the margin in MarginRankingLoss and compare L1 versus L2 distance for kg score. Then evaluate the effect on ranking metrics with a standard knowledge graph dataset. If AI Foundations in Python help you, subscribe and watch the AI Foundations videos.